So as I was saying, the axis of symmetry is also the x value of the vertex. And so what we're focusing on is what makes this inside here 0. So if you have x minus 9 equal to 0, you know that x equals 9 would make that 0. Identify the minimum or maximum value of each. So a minimum or maximum value, that they're referring back to the vertex, and it's not just any part of the vertex. When they're talking about the value, they're talking about the y value of the vertex. Okay, so they're talking about the y value of the vertex, and so they're actually talking about this guy right here. Okay, and if there's nothing right here, then it's 0. Okay, so if it goes, obviously if it goes up, you're going to have a minimum value. And if it goes down, you're going to have a maximum because it's the highest point. Okay, so in this case, you're looking at this and you're like, okay, well, this guy is negative. So since it's negative, negative A means that it's going to go down. So if it's going down, it has a maximum value of 10, right? And then here you have a positive A, which means that it's going to go up, and then there's nothing there. So this is 0, so it's going to be going up, so we have a minimum value of 0. Okay, we're gonna write the vertex form of the equation of the parabola. So basically when we're writing the vertex form, it's easier to just find the vertex and then steal the A. That's what I told you guys to do. Actually, let's write the A differently. Okay, so the A is -1 here. So since the A is -1 here, this A is -1, this A is 4, this A is +1, and this A is negative, or is positive. So this guy can't be the answer. And this guy can't be the answer. So we only have A or D right now. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and find the vertex. So to find the vertex, we're going to find that x value. So we're going to take the opposite of B over 2A, which is 14 over 2 times -1, which is -7. So this is the x value. So if the x value is -7, we know that this is telling us that this has to be the winner right here. Okay, so that one's finished. Possible rational roots is the P over the Q. And the P are the factors of the last term. And the Q are the factors of the first term. So you have x squared plus 2x minus 3. So this is made by plus or minus 1, and this is made by plus or minus 1, plus or minus 3. So we're going to take plus or minus 1 over 1, which is just 1, plus or minus 3 over 1, which is just 3. So the only things that we have are these guys right there. These are your P's, just a reminder. P's come from here, Q's come from there. Okay, now we're going to find all the zeros. And so this guy tells us that there are 3. And 1 is given. So -5 makes 0. That's given. So you're going to put your coefficients going across the top. -7, -60. And you're just going to go through the process. Bring this down, multiply, add going down, multiply, add going down, multiply, and you get 0. And then you had to get 0 because they told you it was 0. And you're going to use now your depressed equation, which is right here, and you get x squared plus x minus 12, which breaks to x plus 4, x minus 3. This gives you a -4. This gives you a 3. So your answer is -5, -4, and 3. Hold on one second.